Hello everybody and welcome back to Kelly Family Adventures. As you can see, we're down the allotment for another allotment update. So let's flick you around and see what... So let's tell you what's new. We have our new signs, look. Welcome to our happy place that the auntie made. And our plot number is 6A. Down here we have onions. This is a no-dig bed, I think they call it, because you layer it with just compost. So we're going to try it, trial and error, see what it's like. Sarah's been making some more beds, look. As you can see, we've collected lots more wood. The rhubarb's coming on nicely, so is the mint, and Sarah's roses are doing really well. Let's take you over here to Zany's plants. They're coming on lovely. He's got beans in there, he's got peas, tomato plant and a big bean, and I'll show you in our messy greenhouse. So we've got our first tomato off Zany's little plant down there that's unfortunately dying off. So we've got cabbages, my chilies coming on nicely. Well, the peppers actually, they're meant to be sweet pepper, yellow peppers. So I've got strawberries, got lots of tomato plants in here with tomatoes growing. The peppers, more peppers and more chilies down there. So let's have a walk down the path and I'll show you what's new up the top end. Obviously we've put more ground fix and stuff down to try and kill the weeds off as fast as we can. So we've done all this, look. Let's hop over here before she makes them. I've just planted some new strawberries in there to buffing it out a bit and dug this bit over here. So as you can see, we've got a new compost bin that we got off Recycle. A Victoria plum tree, which was £7 from Pound Stretch, I believe it was. So we dug that in. I've cleared all this area here. Black currants, as you know.
Did you fill in here, John?
Yeah, I can zip it up, love. Blueberries, raspberries, and they're red berries of some description. And obviously the grape plant. Yeah. And all that I've cleared back, which I've got to put that in a composter later on. So yeah, that was just a quick show around our vlog to show you what's new around the plot. Lots more to come because we are going away this weekend. We're away, so we're trying to get as much done as we can. Also, we are going away the following week for a full week, so we're going to leave it in a very good, decent.
I'll enjoy that.
Ooh, looks a really good tomato. I'm not quite sure why it's got the lines on it. Must be that thingy of it. So yeah, we'll leave you here and we'll catch up soon.